I'm always looking for the path of least resistance, which is why I moved my entire office into a pool. I'm Rich Lewis, and I run the world's only fully ergonomic aquatic office. I had watched my team try everything to make their life at work more comfortable: standing desks, exercise balls, walking desks. They've even got a freelancer who started working remote in an elaborate bed desk system. But everything changed once we got in the water. Now that gravity isn't holding the team down, profits and morale are going up. Even our remote workers want to come to the office these days. People assume it's expensive, but we had some extra budget at the end of the fiscal year, and you know what they say, if you don't use it, you lose it. Obviously, there were a number of logistical questions, the biggest one being, how do we get the electronics in the water? Isn't it dangerous? It was actually pretty easy. We used commercial-grade plastic wrap, and just like that, we were in business in the water. And for paper, a quick trip to the laminator does the job. It's honestly not all that different from a normal office. Our casual Friday is admittedly a bit more casual. Some people worry about their staff getting too comfortable and them getting complacent. I just don't think that's going to be an issue here. The ups and downs of office politics haven't disappeared, but the issues are different. And the facility staff have been very understanding about the changes. I've always been inspired by Bruce Lee, who said, be like water. You put water in a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water in a bottle, it becomes the bottle. And when you put your staff in water, you got to hire a lifeguard. That's not good.